Cutting across, political temperature heating up ahead of the December 1st civic polls for Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. The BJP has deployed its bigwigs to campaign. BJP President JP Nadda is scheduled to land in the city today at 3 p.m. He will hold a 2-kilometer-long roadshow at 4 p.m. in Chevellat constituency. Later in the day, Nadda will be meeting with locals and address a gathering of intellectuals at Hotel Taj Banjara at around 7:30 p.m. Top BJP leaders including Bhupendra Yadav, Smriti Irani, Devendra Fadnavis and Ashish Challa have already visited Hyderabad ahead of the polls. Meanwhile, after the BJP released its manifesto on Thursday, KTR took a jibe saying that pictures used in the BJP manifesto is the TRS government's development work and not the BJP's. Ashish joining us for details on that. Ashish, a massive campaign being launched by the BJP there ahead of the December 1st Greater Municipal polls in Hyderabad. BJP there pushing all their star campaigners into action. JP Nadda to hold a roadshow there and the fight only heating up. And now an allegation by the KCR government saying in the BJP manifesto, the images of development used by the BJP is what the KCR government has done. Is that true?
Yes, Nabila. In fact, we can surely say that though temperature of Hyderabad has come down, but the political temperature is rising day by day. The election campaign will end on 29th of this month, and before that, BJP has lined up its top leadership. They'll be coming to Hyderabad. They'll be campaigning for the party. It will start today at 3 p.m. Party National President, Bharatiya Janata Party National President JP Nadda, he'll arrive in Hyderabad. He'll arrive at Begumpet Airport, a few kilometers away from here, in fact. And then he'll hold road shows. Apart from road shows, he'll also meet intellectuals of the city in a star hotel. Then he'll leave for Delhi at around 10 p.m. So he'll stay in Hyderabad for almost 7 p.m. campaigning for the party here in Hyderabad. Tomorrow, again, Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, he is scheduled to arrive in Hyderabad. Day after tomorrow, on the very last day of campaign, it will be Union Home Minister Amit Shah who will campaign for the party here in Hyderabad. So clearly, BJP has lined up its big faces, big leaders for this municipal corporation election. On the very other hand, TRS, the ruling party, they are targeting BJP. They say that BJP is making a gully election, a by-lane election into a Delhi election by bringing all these top leaders for a municipal polls. But BJP has made it clear that they are bringing their leaders because they want to win this election. And within the party, everybody is a Karyakarta, and Karyakartas coming to win for elections are nothing wrong or nothing new in the party. And that's why today JP Nadda is scheduled to campaign in Hyderabad, Nabila.
Let's see what happens. Thank you very much, Ashish. Many of them, the BJP as well as TRS, giving out freebies to woo the voters. It's going to be an interesting municipal polls there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.